Hi, my name's Aaron Engelman from Two Teachers Tax Service here in Lyman, South Carolina. Today, I want to talk about 1099 NEC and 1099 miscellaneous threshold changes for 2026. The 1099 NEC and 1099 miscellaneous threshold for reporting has been set at $600 for decades. This Form 1099 NEC applies to independent contractors. Again, the previous threshold was $600, and then starting in 2026, it's going to move to $2,000. The 1099 miscellaneous, similar. $600 is the previous threshold, although sometimes you have to send a 1099 miscellaneous for even $10 of income. The new threshold will be $2,000 in 2026. Then, starting in 2027, the threshold will be adjusted yearly for inflation. Here's what you need to know as a business owner. First of all, for the 1099 NEC, your deadline is January 31st. You can submit in one of two ways. You can use the Information Returns Intake System, that's IRIS, and that's an IRS system that's all online. The thing with that is it takes about 45 business days to get set up. So this is not quick. Or you can mail Form 1096 along with your 1099 NECs. You provide copies to both your contractor and the IRS. And if you haven't done this before, Two Teachers Tax Service has and can help you with your 1099 NEC reporting. For 1099 miscellaneous reporting, it's similar. The deadlines are slightly different, though. January 31st is your deadline to give it to the recipient. If you're doing paper filing, you paper file by February 28th by sending in your 1099 miscellaneouses along with the Form 1096. If you're doing the IRIS system or the electronic filing, it's due by March 31st. Again, you're going to provide both copies to the recipient and the IRS. And Two Teachers Tax Service can help you with your 1099 miscellaneous reporting, especially if you've never done it before. As a taxpayer, you're responsible for reporting all income. So even if you did not receive a 1099, you've got to report that income to the IRS. So let's say you earn $500 freelancing and you didn't get a 1099, you still should report it. If you don't report it, that would be an example of tax evasion, so please don't do that. So here's your checklist as a taxpayer. First of all, report all 1099 income. Keep copies of all the forms for you, and then provide your 1099s to your tax preparer. Here's the conclusion. First of all, the threshold is going to increase to $2,000 in 2026, and then it will increase yearly with inflation starting in 2027. A reminder, be sure to report all of your income even if you don't receive a 1099. Two Teachers Tax Service can guide you through the changes, and we certainly can help you file these forms if you've never done it before. Contact us at 269-449-8277 or by email at twoteacherstax@gmail.com. Thank you.